Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn video editing on PC using CapCut, then this is the only tutorial you need. In this video, I will teach you everything step by step, from beginner basics to advanced editing techniques. By the end of this video, you will be able to create professional quality videos for YouTube, so make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. Open CapCut on your PC. When you open CapCut, you will see the home screen. Here you'll find options like New Project and Templates. Click on New Project to start editing from scratch. Now the editing workspace will open. Before editing, it's important to understand the interface. On the left side, Media, your imported files, Audio, Music and Sound Effects, Text, Titles and Subtitles, Effects, Visual Effects, Transitions, Clip Switching Effects, Center, Preview Screen where you see your video, Bottom, Timeline. This is where all editing happens. Understanding this layout will make editing much easier. Click on the Import button. Select your video clips, images, or audio files from your computer. After importing, drag your clips onto the timeline. You can rearrange clips by dragging them left or right. Now let's start editing. To trim, click on a clip and drag its edges to shorten it. To split, move the playhead to the point where you want to cut. Press Ctrl B or click on Split. Now you can delete unwanted parts easily. This step is very important because removing boring parts makes your video more engaging. Transitions help connect clips smoothly. Click on Transitions. Choose any transition like fade, slide, or zoom. Drag it between two clips. You can adjust the duration of the transition. Tip: don't use too many transitions. Keep it clean. Click on Text. Add text. Type your title or message. Now customize it. Change font style, adjust color, resize and position. You can also add animations like fade in or pop up. For subtitles, use Auto Captions feature. It automatically generates subtitles for your video. Good audio makes your video more interesting. Click on Audio. You can use built-in music, import your own audio, extract audio from video, drag the audio into the timeline. Adjust volume so it doesn't overpower your voice. Click on Effects. Drag an effect onto your clip. Popular effects, glitch blur, light effects. Use effects wisely. Too many effects can ruin your video. Filters change the overall look of your video. Click on Filters and select one you like. For better control, go to Adjust. Brightness controls light, contrast, difference between dark, light, saturation, color intensity, temperature, warm or cool tone. This step gives your video a professional look. Click on Overlay. Add another video or image on top. Resize and move it anywhere on screen. This is useful for tutorials, reaction videos, and facecam content. Select your clip. Click Speed. Increase speed for fast motion. Decrease speed for slow motion. You can also use curve speed for smoother effects. Click on Animation. You can add In Animation, Start Effect, Out Animation, Ending Effect, Combo Animation. Example: zoom in at start and fade out at end. Click on Stickers. Add emojis or graphics to your video. Resize and position them according to your content. Select your clip. Click Remove Background. CapCut automatically removes the background. You can replace it with any image or video. Keyframes allow custom animation. Example: add a keyframe at start, move forward, change position. CapCut will automatically create smooth movement. Click on Export at the top right. Choose best settings. Resolution, 1080p recommended. Frame rate, 60 FPS. Smooth video. Format, MP4. Then click Export. So guys, that's the complete CapCut PC tutorial. Now you can edit your videos like a pro.